Hey y'all, it's Tamara. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. I'm so happy to be bringing you guys a new video. I know that I've been away for a while, so I'm so excited to bring you some kitchen cleaning motivation, y'all. So if you are ready, let's get to cleaning.
No, but you don't answer to no one. Yeah, 'cause you got way too many scars from people tearing you apart. No, you think I let you down, break your heart and play around. But that's not me, no. I will love you right back and come.
So I decided to bring you guys some kitchen cleaning motivation because if you are like me and you may be either at home all day with your kids or you are having to work from home and your kids are there as well. I just noticed because we're spending so much more time at home because I'm now working from home and my kids are doing remote learning that the kitchen is having to be cleaned multiple times a day. And so I know sometimes it can be just like not again, you know what I mean? So I thought that maybe you guys would be in the same boat that I am and maybe need the motivation to get through that second or third or fourth time cleaning the kitchen. So sometimes it depends on how messy the kitchen is, how I will clean it. So since it's not really messy this time around, I'm just gonna go ahead and clear everything off the counter, throw away what needs to be thrown away, and then I'll work on the dishes. Sometimes I like to just go straight in and empty out the dishwasher so that I can get the dishes from the sink into the dishwasher because that's usually the bulk of it. And I feel like if I get that done, then I've made some progress.
You'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back.
If this is your first time here, I just want to briefly introduce myself and again, welcome you to my channel. My name is Tamara. I am married to my high school sweetheart. I am a working mother with 2 boys and they are doing remote learning right now. And I love posting all types of motivational videos and I just like to help motivate you guys to get your house in order or to just get up and get something done. I don't do that because I have it all together. I do not have it all together, but it motivates me knowing that I've helped you or motivate you in some way because I struggle as well. And I started my channel several years ago because I was motivated from cleaning videos. So I know the effect that it can have on people and I know that how it helped me. So I'm hoping that you enjoy my content and also take a look at other videos on my channel to see if they motivate you enough to hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to join my little community over here. And if you are new, don't forget to say hello down below in the comments. I would love to acknowledge that you are new and welcome you and to say hello. So I'm cleaning out my sink with just some regular antibacterial Dawn dish soap, but my go-to is soft scrub and I've been out of it for weeks now, and even doing this voiceover right now, I don't have any. I just realized. So that is my go-to. So if you haven't tried it, try it and see if you like it. It's similar to Barkeeper's Friend, but I just prefer soft scrub over it. And I also use soft scrub in other areas, sometimes to scrub my stovetop. I've used it on my refrigerator before. I just found different ways to use it, but I think it's a great product. They have different scents. They also have it with bleach. So if you're looking for something to clean out your sink with, that's one to start with.
Talking to each other, I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle, yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing, time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before, yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way.
So I really love using this grilling pan for like our grilled chicken and stuff like that, but it's a pain to clean. So I had to go in for some reinforcement and pull out the steel pad.
It's always mixed emotions, the first step is always hard. When you walk out of the doorway, but that's just the place to start. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before, yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid.
I know y'all saw the look on my face when my boys brought in their cups. Now they can only have their lidded cups, the green one and the orange one that you saw, in their rooms because they have a lid on them. So I'm like, okay, y'all wait till I'm almost done. You know, you almost did not make it. And they knew that I was gonna come around and ask them why was this stuff still in their room. So that's just one of those things, y'all. I mean, it's just one of those things.
About time we let things go. Is this our destiny? Just like it was meant to be. Yeah.
So here's another one of those kitchen gadgets that I love. I love my waffle maker, but I hate cleaning it out. Like all the ridges and stuff like that. It's just tough, but I really love using it. What are some things in your kitchen that you love to use, but you just hate to clean? Besides the oven, you know, that's something else on the list, but maybe your kitchen gadget, something like that. It's your favorite, but you just hate to clean it.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo
If you're still hanging in here with me, thank you so much. I would love for you guys to hit that like button. It really helps my channel. That's another way for you guys to support my channel, is by, of course, sharing it out to others who you feel will enjoy it. Also by subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything. So if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, I would love for you guys to do so. Also, the like button, like I said, it just suggests my videos out to others who would like content like this and who are currently watching content like this.
Girl, you texting when I look away. 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better version of you. I need the better you.
You should know I'm not like others. You should know I'm not the one. If you trust me with your feelings, I won't make you wanna run. Only in my dreams, only in my dreams, I play fair.
That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this motivation, and I hope it helps you get through your first, second, third, fourth, or more times cleaning your kitchen. This was actually my last time for the evening, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also subscribe if you have not. I really appreciate you guys as always. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Around the edges.